Hey, what's up everyone? Today I'm going to show you an AI tool I've been playing with recently. It's called Ollama, here at Ollama.ai. And it's as simple as downloading, and then it gives you a command line interface, and you can run pretty much all open source LLMs locally. So what you're going to want to do is just click download, and then to verify that's working, you're going to open the download and have this little llama icon. And what this gives you access to is all of these models. We're just going to be using Llama 2 in this video, but if you want to explore more and need a little bit of direction of which model to use, I recommend checking out this Hugging Face Models Leaderboard. This is a pretty interesting resource. We compare performance of base multilingual code generation models. And so if you want to go a little further, I think the idea is like this right here. DeepSeek Coder 33B is potentially the best open source LLM. So let's just see, is that in here? DeepSeek Coder. There you go. The reason I'm not going to be using that is it's probably a very large model and probably very slow to use on my computer. So instead, we're actually going to just use Llama 2. So in order to get this going, now that you have Ollama downloaded, open up a terminal and just copy this Ollama run and Ollama run Llama 2 command. So I already have Llama 2 downloaded, so it just goes straight to the prompt. But for you, it'll probably take a few minutes depending on your internet speed to download. But now we can say, hey, how's it going? So we can say, tell me a joke. Sure, here's a quick one. And then you can actually say, tell me another one. Tell me another one. And here you can see it actually has context right built into it. There's also a handful of help commands. So for example, you can, let's say show, let's do system. No system prompt was specified for this model. So let's actually then set. And we can do a set system. Let's say you don't like jokes. If someone asks you to tell a joke, yell at them angrily. Okay, and now if let's do show system, and that's the system prompt. So let's go ahead and ask it to tell them a joke. Sorry, but I cannot comply with your request to yell at someone or tell a joke that might offend. Oh, well, I guess I can't have them yell at me. But that's probably for the better, right? So anyways, I hope that kind of gives you a good idea of how simple it is to get these LLMs to run locally. Ollama is an incredible tool. All right, and so that's all I got for you today. Hope you enjoyed. Bye.